With the base completed, I'll turn my attention to drilling the hole in the shaft. I've installed the drill chuck into the headstock. Now I'm going to install the drive center into the tailstock. I'll mount my block of wood on the tailstock side on the drive center, and then on the point of the drill bit. Now I'll turn the lathe on while holding the block of wood. Then advance the tailstock with my right hand while holding the blank with my left. Back the drill bit out frequently to clear the chips. When you reach the end of the tailstock travel, pull the tailstock all the way back. You can stop the lathe. Move the tailstock forward and continue drilling. Now we'll switch to a longer bit. Place it inside the hole we've already drilled. Bring the tailstock up. And simply continue drilling as we have before. Especially with this bit, we'll have to stop the lathe often, remove the chips from the flutes, and continue drilling. I checked ahead of time and made note of where my drill bit is, so I'll stop about 1/2 inch shy of the end. That'll prevent from drilling into my drive center. With the hole I just drilled in the shaft down the center, I've now eliminated the possibility of mounting this between centers as I typically would turn this. So I'm going to use a scrap block of wood to turn some adapters that will allow me to then mount this between centers.